deliver a heartfelt message of thanks, let us now hear from Joseph L. Calma Jr. with honors, academic track under General Academics Track. Let's give him a round of applause.
To our supportive schools division superintendent, Dr. Orlando E. Manuel, to our anchor supervisor and our education supervisor in English, Dr. Dindo Jan H. Moreno, to the barangay officials of Odjawan, headed by Barangay Captain Jesse C. De Los Reyes, to our school principal, Ma'am Noemi L. Bulan, to our distinguished guest of honor, Engineer Marijo D. Tubinay, to our respected head teachers of Odjawan National High School, Sir Dominador S. Gaila Jr. and Sir Generoso R. Sombrano, to our deeply appreciated master teachers of Odjawan National High School, Ma'am Edeline I. Malik, Ma'am Ana Grace S. Limos, and Ma'am Yvette Margaret J. Vicente. To the hardworking teaching and non-teaching staff of Odjawan National High School, to our supportive and loving parents, guests, and especially to my fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to one and all. It's my honor to give the words of gratitude on behalf of the graduating class, Batch 2024-2025. I'm here standing proud and grateful to represent the whole batch in a small yet special speech. Back then, I was a naughty student. I would often talk to my friends and ignore the teachers when they were having discussions, without having a clue what my future holds. Until I realized the importance of education and knowledge. Hindi po marangya ang buhay ng aking pamilya, kaya naman ang aking ina na si Maria Cristina Calma ay nag-ibang bansa. She left us at an early age. It is hard not having a mother beside you growing up, and to celebrate special moments in life, like graduation. As I grew up, I realized the sacrifices she has done. She worked for almost 11 years just for us, to support us financially. Even though she's not with us, I can assure that she is very proud of what I have accomplished. She's the strongest woman I know, a loving mother who would do everything for her child. My father is Joseph Asho Calma, a painter. He was a hard-working man who would work till his bones ached just to feed his family. My father was responsible for shaping me and making me the man I am today. He provides our everyday needs. He would work from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., earning just the right amount for our daily needs. He endured many challenges just for our family. One day, I heard him crying. He was drunk. Kinuna ni tatang ko, naggaget na nga tao, nagsimpet na nga tao, yung apay takas tilat dati panagbiyak. I was stunned and began to feel sad, as this is the first time I saw him cry. He told me to study hard and reach my dreams, so that I won't experience the life I have. My parents' sacrifices became an eye-opener to try my best and reach for my dreams. From that day, I swear that I will study hard for the sake of my family. At this moment, may I kindly request my father to stand up to be recognized. Your unwavering support and love and guidance have been a constant source of strength throughout my journey. This achievement is not mine alone, it is ours. Ma, Pa, salamat sa sakripisyo niyo sa akin. Also, may I request my fellow graduates to stand. This is your time to appreciate your parents' effort by giving them a hug or saying thank you. Our parents are getting old. Someday there will be a time that they won't be there for you. So appreciate them while you can. Hindi po ako ang pinakamatalinong estudyante sa batch na ito. Alam yan ng lahat. Ngunit kung ano man ang aking nakamit ngayon, yan ay bunga ng aking mga sakripisyo. Before I could ever step on this stage, I faced a lot of challenges. But I didn't let those challenges hinder my goals because I learned and grow from my struggles. I achieved multiple achievements. At the end of the day, it is always great to see your parents smile and feel proud of you. None of this would have happened without my parents, grandparents, kay tita, kay kuya, sa kanilang sakripisyo at encouragement sa akin. To my teachers, Ma'am Elena M. Mercado, Sir Mark Ryan F. Morales, to my advisor, Ma'am Jovelyn T. Lorenzo, thank you for bringing out the best in me and enhancing my abilities. Thank you for the unwavering support and love. I also want to express my gratitude to my friends, Jerwell R. Morales, Amiel Patrick Herlong, Kimerson Pacleb, Emmanuel Servitilio, Nicoyan Egliani, Mark Angelo Sanchez, Aljur Lasiste, Ian Licudo, Jefferson Roman, and Ronnie J. Villapuerto. Thank you for the unwavering support and the shared moments of happiness. Our journey as high school student ends here. We have made a lot of great memories. We laughed, we cried, and most importantly, we learned a lot of things. My fellow graduates, keep your chins up as this is only the beginning of our journey. The world is waiting for us. There's still a lot of missing pages in our histories. Let's embrace the new beginning. Let's chase our dreams and succeed in life. Let's celebrate this moment which is full of achievements. Thank you and congratulations, class of 2025.